Okay, so let's look at starting to take these pieces, these letters of our name, and place them on an object. So I'm just going to back out a little bit by two-finger sliding, and I'm just going to pull in a box. I'm just going to place the box just behind my name there. So you'll notice, obviously, the letters of my name are not going to fit on that box. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab the corner of the box. Actually, I'll grab the back corner of the box, and I'm just going to hold down Shift, and I'm going to click the button, my trackpad button, and I'm just going to make that box, oh, let's see, about that size. And I'm going to click on the little black dot on the corner here, and I'm just going to pull the box that way. So I'll take a look at the box. Okay, it's about the right size. That should probably fit my name onto it. So now I'm just going to two-finger click, put myself at a little better angle so I can see what's going on here. And then I'm just going to hold down Shift, two-finger click to get myself a bit above. That was hold down Shift and two-finger click. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the L first. I'm thinking, okay, which way do I want to rotate this L? If I just grab the whole letter and I move it in, that's not going to work. So why don't we try by putting our letters on top of the box, so placing the letters up here. So to do that, we want to grab the little arrow here. You can remember, if you remember, the little arrow will move your shape up and down, so you can see the little arrow on the top. I'm going to grab that, and I'm just going to move it up a bit. And you can see a shadow actually appears below my letter there. And now I'm two-finger click, and I'm going to rotate, and I'm just going to back away a little bit. Now I'm going to grab that arrow again, I'm going to move up, and I'm just going to put the L sort of at a height that I feel looks like it's above the box. Now if I zoom down here and I go the completely side view, you can see my L is now above the box, which is exactly how I want it. You can also click on this front view here, and that will show me a front view of where I am. I'm going to do the same thing for the O. I'm just going to click the O, I'm going to grab the arrow, I'm going to pull it up to about where the L is. I'm going to pull the T up to kind of where the O is, and I'm going to grab the other T and I'm just going to pull it up to where the other T is. Now you can see my letters are in a position that are above the box. Now I'm two-finger clicking and I'm rotating here, so I'm just going to move myself to a different position. And you can click on the left side position here if you want. That will get you in that camera view. And I want to grab my L, and I'm going to move it directly over the box here. So I'm just going to grab it, and I'm just going to slide it. You can see down below there's a little box down below that shows me where I am, and I'm just going to slide it over top of the box. You can see it's gone now. Now the O, I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to slide it over top of the box. The T, I'm going to slide over top of the box. Now I can't really see what's going on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my angle. So I'm going to two-finger click and get myself above the box so I'm in a better position. And I'm going to grab this other T and I'm just going to slide it above the box right there. And then I'm just going to angle these so they're a little bit better. But now I'm two-finger clicking and just rotating. Alright, looks pretty good. Now you can see the letters are not quite touching the box, so they're kind of hovering above it. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit by two-finger sliding, and I'm going to use that camera pan I talked about. So I'm going to hold down Shift, I'm going to two-finger click up, and I'm going to hold down Shift, and I'm going to two-finger click up, and then now I can click on my items and I can slide them into a position where they're now sitting on top of the box, like that. 1, 2, 3, and I'm just grabbing that little arrow there, and 4. Okay, let's get ourselves in a position so we can see that a little bit better. And nice. Alright, I've got them where they should be. Alright, we're going to come back and we're going to talk about how we are going to create holes in the box with the letters for our name.